Good morning everyone. This is Saurav Abhishek. Today I'm going to teach about the topic understanding floods, causes, impact and mitigation. In this PPT we will learn about prerequisites, learning outcome, what is flood, causes of flood, impact of flood, flood mitigation measures, community roles, conclusions. So the prerequisite for this course is the basic understanding of geography, what you must have learned in class 10 or class 12 or 6 to 8 geography. Awareness of local and global disasters. By the end of this course and PPT, you will be learned about understanding the definition and cause of floods, recognize the impact of floods on life, property, and the environment, mitigation measure and the roles of community involvement in disaster preparedness. So, what is flood? Flood is a natural disaster which occurs when water overflow and submerge land that is usually dry. So, major flood events that you may have heard: Bihar flood in 2008, Uttarakhand flood in 2013, Chennai flood in 2015, and Kerala flood in 2018. So, what are the causes of flood? Heavy rainfall, melting snow and ice, river overflow, dam failure, coastal storm surge, urbanization and poor drainage system. Impact of flood. Due to floods, there is a loss of life and property, displacement of communities, damage to infrastructure, waterborne disease, agricultural losses, environmental degradation. Here you can see India flood zone map. You can see the eastern part of India, the coastal region are affected to flood. Also you can see the north and northeastern part. What can be done to mitigate flood? Building ramp and reservoirs, proper urban planning, early warning system, river channel management, community awareness and preparedness, afforestation and environment conservation. This is a flood plain zoning. Here you can see that where the frequent flood occurs, there you usually don't build any structure like power plant or etc. So the structure which are safer, that where the flood occurs 100 years, there we are making buildings. Community role in flood preparedness, participation in disaster drill, building community emergency plans, education on safety measures, volunteering and relief efforts. So there are the few assignment questions for you. What is flood? Explain the cause and impact of flood. Describe mitigation measure for flood control. Flood are devastating but manageable with proactive planning and mitigation strategies. Cooperation between government, communities and individuals is key to minimizing their impact. If you have any